Hi guys, in today's video we will learn how you can create AI images for free using Focus. So basically we will be installing this to our PC. There are several ways to do it, but we will be using the easiest method. Here are some sample images anyway, so we will install this to our Windows PC. Here are the instructions for that. Let's download the files. Click on downloads. Please note you will need to download more than 10 GB of files. So the file has been downloaded, show in folder, and this is .7z file. You can use WinRAR to extract it. Double click on it. I will extract them to desktop. Let me create a new folder. And I will extract all the files here. Please note this extraction will take some time. So all the files are here. You can simply run this bat file and it will download all the necessary files. However, we have had some issues, so we downloaded the files manually. Let me go back to the GitHub page. So let's download these default models. I will open this in a new tab. Now right click and save as a link. I will save it to the desktop. These are small files, but download all of them. So it is done. So these files must go inside these folders: Focus, Models, Checkpoints. Go to Focus, Models, Checkpoints and place these files here. This is done. Now let's again download this in Paint file. This is about 1.2 GB. Open the link here. Sometimes the link may not work, so please refresh it a few times till the download starts. So the download has started. I will pause this as I've already downloaded this file. Make sure to give a few tries if the link does not work. I will cancel this. Let me navigate to the file which I have already downloaded. This is a file. Let me cut this. And we need to put it inside Focus Models in Paint. Focus, Models, and in Paint, paste it here. So this is done. Now open this run.bat file. So it will try to download this file, which is nearly 6 GB. We have had issues downloading this file. So let me copy this link and paste it here. So the file is being downloaded. I will pause this too and cancel the download since I've already downloaded the file. So this is a file which is nearly 6 GB. Let me cut this. So here is an error again. So we recommend downloading the files manually. And these files should go to Focus, Models, Checkpoints. Let me go to the folder Focus, Models, Checkpoints and paste it here. So basically we downloaded these files and this for checkpoints. and we also downloaded in Paint. So this is all done. Let me close this all. Now if I press any button, the CMD will close. Let's again open the run.bat file. This app requires NVIDIA, but this PC does not have NVIDIA graphics. So for smooth operation, it is recommended to have NVIDIA. However, if you don't have it, here's an alternative. Go back to the GitHub, scroll down, and here is what you can do if you have an AMD graphics card. Now copy this code, open the focus folder. Let me close this. Right click on it and you can edit it in the Notepad or Notepad++. So replace all the code with the GitHub code and save it. And again open this run.bat file. Now this will use CPU. The generation of images will take quite some time. This will also download some files, so please be a little patient. Finally, the application is running all good. Click on Advanced. Here you can change some settings: speed, aspect ratio, image format, number of images, etc. And you can give any prompts you like to generate images. Please note, this will take some time depending on your computer. If there are some issues, make sure your PC meets the minimum requirements. If the app does not work, you will have to do it with Google Colab. Now let's see how it actually works and create a demo image. Nepal images. In advance, let's choose a smaller one. I will go with this one. I will have 2 images. We'll choose the PNG format. In the negative prompts, we'll say no people. I will also improve the prompt Nepal images with Everest and other mountains. On the style, there are lots of options. The cat image will give you an idea of what you want. Simply choose what kind of images you really need. For now, I will choose semi-realistic and I will choose size cinematic. So you can choose anything as per your requirements. And now click on generate. I am fast forwarding. This generation will take some time depending upon your PC capabilities. So you can see these are pretty nice and realistic images. Please try and explore the options as per your requirements. Focus will create some great images. Anyway, we hope this video was useful to you. Thank you very much.